Okay, we're graphing quadratics. And when you graph quadratics, you want to use this equation. Y is equal to a x minus h quantity square plus k. Now, uh, to graph this, you need to find out what is the a value. So if you look at the equation they give us, to what are the equation, the vertex form of the equation, that tells me that a is equal to 2. So in this equation, a is equal to 2. Now, remember the vertex is h comma k. So in this case, the vertex will be, this is the h value. And don't think of this as a negative, think of the opposite. So the opposite of plus 3 will be negative 3. And now I need the k value. K value is 4. Now to graph it, put in your x and your y-axis. Here's my y-axis, and here is my x-axis. Okay, so this is the y-axis, and this is the x-axis. And remember, the line goes on forever, never stops. So the vertex is at negative 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, negative 3, positive 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's my vertex. Now, if you remember, the parent function for these will be y is equal to x squared. Now, what we did is when we did the parent, we put x over here. And then we did negative 1, 0, and 1. So 1 squared gave you a 1, 0 squared gave you a y value of 0, and 1 squared gave you a value of 1. Let's do 2, and 2 squared give you a value of 4. Okay, that's the parent, but we don't have the parent. We have a family member, but not a parent. So here's how you find what the parent is. The parent should be, well, here's what the function should be. A is 2, so you're going to put a 2 in here. So which means is 0, negative 1 squared will give you 1 times 2 will give you 2. So this is no longer negative 1. I'm sorry, not that one. This is no longer 1. This is 2. And for 0, 2 times 0 will give you 0. Now, for 1, 1 times 2 will give you 2. And 2 times 4 will give you 8. So basically, the x values is going to change, but the y values, you multiply everybody by 2. Now, when you graph that is x negative 1 from here, negative 1, and y is 2, 1, 2. Next value is 0, 0, and then 1, 2, 1 to the right, 2 up. And then 2, 8, 1, 2, 8 up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So be somebody over here, somewhere over here. Now when you graph that, your graph should look at it something like this. Let me try again. It should be obvious, something like this. Okay, now label everything here. This point right here is known as the vertex, the middle of the problem. And the vertex is negative 3, 4. Now, it's either the maximum, the highest point, or the minimum, the lowest point. In this case, it's the lowest, so that'll be a minimum. And then right here, you're gonna have a line, the middle of the problem, and that line is known as the axis symmetry, or the AOS, axis of symmetry. And the equation is x is equal to -1, -2, -3. Now, what you need to do is tell me what is the domain. Remember, domain is the x values. Now, start with the negative x. Does the graph go forever on the negative x direction? Remember, this line means that it goes forever, so it's not going straight up. It's going to the it's going up, and it's going to the left, so it goes to negative infinity. That means it goes on forever. Now the positive x values. Does the graph go forever in the x direction? The zero means that yes, it keeps going up to the right always. Okay? Even though the line looks like it's going up and to the right. So it goes to forever to the right. Now the range are the y values. Now in the y value, look at the negative y. Does the graph go forever in this direction? The answer is no. It stops here. So that is 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the y value. Now, because it's not infinity, it should be a bracket. When you have infinity, it'll be parentheses. If you have a number, it'll be a bracket. Now, what about the positive y? Does it go forever in this direction? And the answer is yes. So that is my domain, and that is my range. Okay. Thank you. Now you should be able to do the homework. Try it. Have any questions? Let me know. Okay. Thank you.